Well, hello and welcome to Phoenix Brix. And today, a hot rod. Definitely managed to capture the all the cadences and the look of one of these sort of split type hot rods where it's very sort of mechanical and all business up the front end, and then you've got a nice stylized cabin. It may appear that all the real detail and difficulty is within this front engine bay, and yeah, there is some building techniques used there, but actually far more difficult was getting this double radius curve right towards the back, right up against the rear axles. That took a bit of figuring out. So let's see how that's built. So there you go. Some interesting building techniques used front and back there. It must be noted that the engine is actually not connected anywhere except for that front axle, so it can flap up. So I don't recommend picking the car up here, although I don't think you would anyway, given all the detail here. Just pick it up by the middle. And yeah, that's not going anywhere under normal movement. It's only if it sort of goes upside down that it flips open. But then if your hot rod's on its roof, you've got bigger problems, I guess. Speaking of the roof, it does easily snap off so that you can get to the inside. I've put a very large steering wheel in there as well, which means that you actually have to take the steering wheel out in order to get the minifigure in and out easily. But you can change that by just putting a regular steering wheel in there. But I wanted a nice, large, oversized one because these things do tend to have that. But overall, I am extremely pleased with this. Actually, it's deceptively simple, but definitely captures that look. I think a whole fleet of these would look amazing in some sort of car show in a Lego City. So yes, I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you again.